Welcome friends, today I teach you how to make AI videos. So let's start. Meaning of AI is artificial intelligence. In this there is no need of human beings. How to make this type of videos?
The first step of this video making is open Google or Chrome browser and type AI videos maker in free, then search eli.io, create AI videos, then click on it and login. This is the first step of AI video making. This is about 60% of AI video making. Please subscribe for next part. Thanks for watching this video.